Hi Prezi. Hi Jaisi. How are you?
I'm good.
Do you know what we are going to see now?
Yes.
So, do you know what are these?
No. Yeah.
These are called fenugreek leaves.
Oh.
Do you know what you call fenugreek leaves in Telugu?
No.
They are called methi leaves. Can you say it again? Methi leaves.
Methi leaves.
Yeah. See, they are cultivated for its medicinal and culinary uses.
Oh.
These are all-purpose plant. Do you know what do you mean by all-purpose plant?
No.
They can be used for many purposes. Okay? So this is a small plant with big benefits. Scientifically, it is called Trigonella phaenum. Means short-living plant which is grown annually and they belong to Fabaceae family. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
These plants, right? They are used extensively in various parts of the world.
Oh.
It's grown in America and we can grow it in India and other countries also. Okay?
Oh.
So it is used as a herb, food and spice and also as a medicine. See, fenugreek leaves have a variety of nutrients which is important for your health. Chaisi, are you listening?
Yeah.
So it will give you vitamin K, calcium. You know what calcium gives us?
Huh?
So strength for our bones, right?
Oh.
And vitamin C. So vitamin C, you get it from oranges, other fruits. Also, these leaves can give you that vitamin C and B complex. Okay? So when we planted these leaves, so kids, we planted these 2 weeks ago.
Oh.
First, we soak these seeds overnight and sow these seeds directly into soil. Okay? After 2 or 3 days, germination starts. Do you know what is germination starts?
It starts growing.
Yes, it starts growing. Okay? And you can see the growth. We can use pots which are shallow and we can use this bathtub. We can reuse this bathtub. Okay? And you can use a cake tray and you can use some kids unused toys like this. Okay? So see, you can't buy the pots, right? It's costly. So you can reuse all these things rather than throwing them away. Do you understand?
Oh.
So we can harvest these leaves at a very tender age. You don't need to grow these leaves up. Okay?
Oh.
It should not be like big. You can harvest them when they are very small. See, this is a very small leaves, right?
Oh.
You got it?
Yeah.
And these have very good flavor. So you understand what is the importance of the fenugreek leaves?
Yeah.
Also, do you see the roots?
Yeah.
The white ones?
Yes.
So that's how they grow. Okay?
Oh.
So look at this. Okay? We use the water filter. Okay?
Oh.
To put the seeds. Okay?
Oh.
It took only 1 week. The seeds start growing.
Oh.
Oh, is it? Huh? You can plant it here in the backyard or even in the apartments also. Okay, it's very easy to plant them and then they grow. Okay,
Oh, can we harvest them now?
we can do the harvest. Do you know how to harvest them?
Yeah, like this.
Hey, Praisy and Jaisi, can we harvest now?
Yes.
Yeah, I will show you how to harvest. Can you hold this tray?
Yes.
Okay, keep it there. Okay, so this is how we need to harvest. You need to hold it from the root. Okay, and then cut it and then put it here. Okay, can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, Jaisi, you do it first. Can you hold this? And then cut it. Okay. Okay. Good job. You did a right thing. Let Praisy do it now. Yeah, hold it. Yes, Praisy. Yeah. Good job.
Hi friends, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.